Like all things wireless, it begins with spectrum, is getting operators' hands on spectrum. Looking in a commercial market where you may have 3 or 4 operators, give them at least about 100 megahertz each, especially I believe below 6 gig. I think that's the first step. You build coverage. If you build coverage, you get end users. That creates kind of scale and volume. So once you have coverage, then device manufacturers, then chipset prices go down, cost of network goes up, and things start to accelerate. Secondly, though, I think is really, if we go back to the other question, low latency itself is going to be very difficult to implement because it means really pushing out a lot of the network compute powers to the edge, which is very different from our centralized networks. Today, I think there's a lot of work that still has to be done in terms of the cost modeling. How does that actually impact the services cost as well? And then another one is just operators learning how to monetize 5G in a different way and starting to explore which avenues they should look into to actually do something different with the service other than just sell faster smartphones. The one I'm most excited about are, I guess it's not a specific application, but when you kind of look at 5G, there's 3 different kind of application areas. It would be things around low latency communications, because I believe this is the area where 5G really can differentiate itself the most from the existing 4G network. But low latency is really something different that we haven't seen before. And when I see, I guess, say some of the thought leadership that's going on in that area in terms of, say, manufacturing or first responder networks, I think that really shows a lot of promise and is something that's really different because it can get the mobile operators themselves into new markets where they're not selling today.